Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through an exclusive collection of 2 sets of fancy soft silk sarees. In which the first one you are seeing is a borderless fancy soft silk saree collection. The material is very soft and light in weight. And about the maintenance of this collection, all of these you can carefully hand wash at home. Moving to the design, it's a half and top model. The below half portion is having beautiful elephant and peacock puttas running throughout the body along with a rich pallu and running blouse. Here is an open video for your reference. That's a rich pallu with half and top model body along with a running blouse. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For placing your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. And now moving to the next set is again a fancy soft silk saree collection. The material is very soft and light in weight. And about the design, beautiful and unique 3D embossed design is running all over the body, through which weaving puttas are symmetrically arranged along with a rich pallu and plain blouse. Beautiful copper zari woven borders enhancing the elegance of this collection. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 850 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even shipping charges are very less, from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number. And please note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.